Ever pondered the secret to crafting authentic Spanish churros right in the comfort of your own kitchen? Unravel the mystery today as we delve into the art of concocting this delightful Spanish delicacy. Begin with the basics. Gather the ingredients you'll need. A cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, a cup of all-purpose flour, and oil for frying. For the dusting, combine a half cup of sugar with a teaspoon of cinnamon. The culinary journey starts by bringing the water, sugar, salt, and vegetable oil to a boil in a medium-sized saucepan. The mixture should be stirred continuously to ensure the sugar and salt dissolve completely. The moment the mixture reaches a rolling boil, remove it from the heat. Swiftly add the flour, stirring vigorously to incorporate it into the liquid. Continue to mix until a smooth dough forms. This dough is the heart and soul of your churros, the foundation upon which the rest of the recipe is built. Next, heat up a good amount of oil in a heavy-bottomed pot or a deep fryer. Aim for a temperature of around 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the perfect heat level to ensure your churros turn out golden brown and deliciously crispy. While the oil heats, transfer the dough into a churro or a piping bag fitted with a large star tip. This creates the classic churro shape we all know and love. Squeeze out 4-inch lengths of dough directly into the hot oil, using a knife or scissors to cut off each piece. Fry the dough until it boasts a beautiful golden brown hue. This should take about 2 minutes on each side. Once fried to perfection, remove the churros with a slotted spoon and drain them on paper towels. The final step is to roll the warm churros in the cinnamon sugar mixture you prepared earlier. Make sure to cover them completely for a sweet, satisfying crunch with every bite. And there you have it, authentic Spanish churros, hot and ready, made right at home. The process is simple. Boil your ingredients, mix in the flour, pipe out the dough, fry until golden, and roll in cinnamon sugar. It's a delightful culinary adventure that ends with a sweet, crispy treat. Now the enticing aroma of homemade churros can fill your kitchen anytime you wish. Enjoy!